Thanks for joining me. Welcome to the third and final segment of the Gold Extravaganza. So, today I have Titanium White for the base by Master's Touch. Then again, the Festive Green by DecoArt Enamel. And then Extreme Glitter Purple by FolkArt. Followed by Irish Moss by DecoArt. And then Pearls Dioxazine Purple by DecoArt. And then we have the golds. So this one will have Metallic Champagne Gold by DecoArt. This one will have Metallic Rose Gold by DecoArt. All of these are DecoArts that I'm using today. So this one is Metallic Splendid Gold by DecoArt. And then this one is Metallic Glorious Gold by DecoArt. And last but not least, Metallics 24 Karat Gold by DecoArt. This is the one that I've had a lot of people that I've heard say that it's their favorite gold, that it outperforms all the others. So we're gonna find out. Okay, after the golds, then it's Lilac Mist by Apple Barrel, followed by Metallic Green by DecoArt, and finished off with Transparent Violet by Artist's Loft. Okay, I am going to flood my tiles and I'll be right back. The tiles are covered. The bubbles have been popped, so let's put the colors down. So first is Festive Green. Then Extreme Glitter Purple. Irish Moss. The Irish Moss seems to be the one that has the most bubbles in it. Alright, Pearls Dioxazine Purple. a metallic champagne gold for this one. Metallic rose gold for this one. Metallic Splendid gold for this one. Metallic Glorious gold for this one. And last but not least, Metallics 24 karat gold for this one. Now I tell you what, after putting these out, this one definitely has a lot more sparkle to it than all of these. Okay, then Lilac Mist. That one's really spreading out a lot. Oops. So is this one. Huh. Metallic green. And finishing up with transparent violet. Alright, torch the bubbles one more time. I'm going to try to recenter this one a little bit. Really kind of stretches it out by doing that though. And this one a little bit. This one a little bit. Didn't think they were that far off from being level. But I do have it level where I'm going to move them. So that is the most important part, but it's pretty important to have it level over here too, at least somewhat. Okay, world's smallest leaf blower. Here we go. plate. So I'm going to scrape my edges and then I'll bring you down for a close-up. Here they are. All right, first is the champagne gold. Definitely a lot of gold in it. Some cells, some really pretty cells. Then we have the rose gold. That has some really pretty cells in it too. Then the Splendid gold. Out of all of them, I think this gold spread out the least in this set. It's more pretty contained where just along the edges, kind of outlining that purple. And then this one is the Glorious Gold. It's also pretty much where it was, but through there, look at the gold in those cells. That is pretty. And then finally we have the 24 karat gold. And look how much it did spread throughout. And as far as I know, I did not put more of that in than I did in the other ones. All right, I'm gonna go shut the overheads off and we'll look at it with just the flash on. All right, here they are with the flash. First, the champagne gold. Definitely a lot of shimmer and sparkle to this. Some pretty cells. Not a whole lot of cells in any of these, but then this one is the metallic rose gold. It has more cells than the other one did. They're so pretty though. Very pretty. Then the Splendid gold. And then the Glorious gold. There are some really pretty cells. So much sparkle and shimmer. I love it. And then finally, the 24 karat gold. Like I said, definitely much more gold in this one. Some pretty cells. Well, let me know in the comments what you think of these. Which one's your favorite? If you like this, I would really appreciate it if you would click the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate that too. And thank you to all my current subscribers. Thank you for supporting me. That's all for now. I hope you have a great one. I'll catch you next time. Bye, and God bless.